Yeah. So basically today, my aim is to start a series where I share my daily blogs or once in a week or twice in a week blog about what I do regarding my projects. And today I'm going to start with my new project which involves Raspberry Pi cameras and an object detection model as well as an LLM. So the basic idea here uh, is to create a CCTV camera that can log what is actually happening within its viewpoint, and you can interact with that CCTV camera using natural language. That's like you can ask it what happened in a particular event in time using English to be specific. So why this idea? This particularly happened due to one coincidence that happened in my actual life. So me and my friend went out to buy some grocery, and when we came back, our helmet was missing. So what we thought was somebody stole the helmet out of our bike, and we searched for it in the store. And at the end of the day, the CCTV camera came as an savior. So that actually was a painful procedure. We had to pass through each and every second or a minute in the CCTV camera and finally figure out what happened to it. Actually, it was not stolen; it was just misplaced in a different area. But the actual pain happened when we tried to figure out when did this helmet go when missing in the camera. So that's when I thought, why not use the AI, either an object detection AI along with an LLM, so that we can ask camera when did that helmet went missing, and the camera can give you out, or the logs or the database can give you out an output, and you can just go into that timeline and see what happened to the camera. So in this system, what all are needed will be actually a camera itself. So the camera can be any basic camera as for our need, as for our purpose as of now. It could be a Raspberry Pi camera itself. Then inside the camera might be connected to a Raspberry Pi. So the Raspberry Pi or any other embedded device could be the microcontroller or my brain or a small brain for object detection for this particular procedure. And inside the Raspberry Pi, I will be having an object detection algorithm. It could be any object detection algorithm. It could be like YOLO, V8, YOLO-NAS. So I am preferring YOLO-NAS since it is open source, like Apache 2.0 license as per my memory. So that's what we will be planning to do. And along with that, this interface is really new for me. That's why I am struggling with it. This is the first time I am building something like this, like a pre-planned design for what I am intended to do. And along with this system, I also want a computer to log what is being detected in this particular camera. So the data from the Raspberry Pi will be sent to this computer. This could be my personal computer as of now. This is the local server or a computer. Yeah. So the data from this Raspberry Pi should be sent to this computer or local server, and inside this database in the computer, we want an local LLM to work inside it. So yeah, you might have got the whole output or like the whole feature that we are planning to do. For example, in this project, we will be having a camera taking the video feed or video log for a long time. It will be seeing what is happening in that particular area. It will be detecting things, and it will be logging the detected object using YOLO V8 or YOLO-NAS in the Raspberry Pi. And the Raspberry Pi will be sending that particular data over to a server or an computer, my personal computer here to be exact, and this particular data, like what is present in the system, what when missing, those all will be shared or stored in the database, and our LLM will have an access to this database and will ask the database how, what, and why, when did things happen. So, for example, regarding the helmet itself, let's imagine we can ask the helmet when missing around 7:30 and 7:45. I can just ask the camera or my database to be precise. When did this particular helmet went missing? And the AI can when go through the database and figure out, okay, in this timeline the helmet went missing, and we just need to check that particular timeline, and you can verify if the helmet went missing and what actually happened to it. So that could reduce a lot of time that you spend on checking the video camera output. So that's what the whole intent of this particular project is. And I believe as of now, we might need Python. We might use Python as a language. Like we might need Python. And other than that, maybe for optimization, we can use CTP. We might need to figure out how to transfer this data from Raspberry Pi to computer server. And yeah, we need to figure out which version of YOLO that we are going to work on. So I will be trying to do an YOLO, try to build a YOLO inference for the as an initial step. Like I'm planning to do an YOLO version check and then YOLO inference this week. Hopefully, I believe I will have time to do that. So that's all for now. Hope you will stay to see what happens next. Thank you.